Good morning, traders. It's 9:02. Hello, guys. We're gonna start our live trading session in about a minute. Just let me know if you can hear me well. All should be good, but it's always better to check. All right, guys. We're gonna start from our microeconomic calendar first. Forexfactory.com. Basically, we can go to AI Kintel because we got nice tool. A nice website. This website was made by Pablo. Hello, guys. And we got some economic calendar right here, everything in one place. On top of that, we got some market news, central bank analysis, commitment of traders reports. So we're gonna probably use this informations later on this week. But for now, we're gonna focus on microeconomic calendar, and I want to see all high impact news today. Inflation rate in Canada. Guys, very important thing. 1 second, I'm not sure if it's indicated here. Maybe not. Look at here, guys. We got bank holiday today in Canada and United States. So we're gonna have our live trading session this morning. We're gonna look for some opportunities, but later on, we won't have our session, okay? So the afternoon session will be canceled because of bank holiday in the United States and Canada. There is less liquidity. So in the morning, now we can still look for some opportunities because Europe is open and London just opened right now. But later on, there will be no USA. So market can be very, very slow. Okay, voice 1510. Very nice. So yeah, we still got some time, guys. Market should be moving right now. So let's have a look at our charts and let's see what do we have today. All right, I'm gonna open MT4 in the first place. Okay. MT4 in the first place. We got GBP, USD. We can start from Euro basically. We don't have any unusual targets because price is moving in the range today. So in this situation, usually the targets are all settled. So there's nothing to do. I mean, unusual targets, but we still have some targets from previous day, but it's done as well. Nothing close by, so we can move to the next one. GBP USD. Let's have a look at the targets. Oh, guys, we got target right here. The price is getting close to that target. We got some activity of buyers, you can see. Okay, let's have a look if we got any clusters. Good, guys. We got clusters. We could set order for reaction, but in my opinion, I think we are getting too fast. Yeah, exactly. A little bit too fast. 10 pips. Maybe not. Okay, guys, maybe we can try to set the order for reaction because we got clusters. Okay, let's move on to the platform. I'm gonna risk very low, $1,000 for this trade. Why? Because, guys, the price is moving a little bit too fast. If they're gonna drop down now, I will not place the trade. So let me just have a look. Risk mode. We got 0.% stop loss for 10 pips. And I want to risk $1,000 take profit also for 10 pips. The thing is, we need to go a little bit higher because I don't want to open the trade here because we're supposed to open it right here at the target. Okay, so we should be in trade already. So because we are late, I'm not gonna open now because my stop loss will be closer. 3 pips. Oh, guys, I think we missed that. The target was here. That's no good, guys. We are late, maybe 2 minutes. Okay, let's wait and see. All right, in the meantime, let's move forward to the next one. Here we got some target from on USD CHF. The target is around 28 pips away from the price. I want to have a look if we got any clusters. There is cluster on the way, guys, 2 clusters. So if we want to think about opening position from higher time frame after the candle closing bullish, this can be a problem, okay? Because if we wanna open the position right here, there is a chance that the price will get to the cluster and there will be reaction. So in my opinion, we should leave it, no rush, guys. It's Monday, okay? Take it easy and remember that United States is closed and Canada. All right, so today we might be moving in the range. Look at the situation on USD CHF range. Euro USD range. So it's all moving in the range. So maybe it's a good idea to use API Asia strategy to make some profits. You can see we missed that trade. We're supposed to enter the trade for reaction here. We would be already nearly full take profit. Yeah, we should have profit here. So you can see target and clusters, they are working very well, but we missed that trade. We were late, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, sometimes it is like this, so not a problem. Guys, I want to have a look at gold, because right here we might have nice opportunity indicators. 1 second. Look at these guys. We got target at the bottom and we are around 300 pips away from that target. And the price got to the imbalance on the left hand side right here. We got to the imbalance, we got reaction. I want to check one more thing. Volume profile. Okay. Start from the beginning until now. Oh. Nice. We are late here as well, guys. Look at this. This was nice area to enter the position. The price got just to this area and we got reaction. We are late here as well, guys. Why we are late on both? But anyway, if we cannot use this area to go down, it doesn't matter because we got target down the bottom. So we're gonna try to use this target. All we need is simple trend line, and I will try to it like this. I want to see if this trend line will react, or we can do it like this, but no, probably the first option, this one here. Okay, so if we're gonna break through, we're gonna look for a chance to open the trade. If the price will drop lower, we're gonna probably have some imbalance, and we're gonna try to use that imbalance to enter the position to go down to this target. So we might have a chance to get to that target in the second. So we need to get prepared. We're gonna make a plan in the second. Let me just prepare account just in case that they move down. So we got gold. Okay, I'm gonna click advanced order, risk mode, points percent. Okay, so around 100. You can see the price is slowly dropping down, which is good. And risk percent 0.25. Nice. Guys, we are getting close. It's 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time. Okay. Very good, very good. Here we got some kind of support resistance zone. We are breaking through. This is 5 minutes time frame. So also the price stopped here at the support resistance zone. Okay. So it's looking good, guys. First of all, we need to break through the small support resistance zone from 5 minutes time frame. We got nice reaction at the support resistance zone, probably from higher time frame. We can check that zone. So if we're gonna break through this trend line right here, that means the price will get to the other side of this support resistance zone, and we just need the retest maybe of the support resistance zone or the trend line to go down. Okay, so this setup can be very nice. Let me just copy the level where we got our target, and you can see there is a reaction at the trend line. Okay, yes, we are breaking through. Good, very good. 497598. 97598. 97598. That is our target. Oh. Good. Okay, so that's our target. Price is breaking through, which is good. Now we need some imbalance. If yes, that will be great, but we also need some retest. We can probably look at 1 minute time frame, because sometimes this retest, it's very quick. The price will get here and boom. So we need to be ready. We can of course check some other things. Volume AI. You can see that bearish volume area. There is a reaction also. We got some gap from the open of the day, but I don't want to focus on the gap. They can close it today, they can close it tomorrow. So, gonna leave it for now. The price is slowly coming back. Let's have a look. This is 1 minute time frame. Body, 1 second, last price line. Status line, canvas. Okay. Let them retest it. Yes, Discord, it should be working, If not, just contact support, okay? 5 minutes time frame. Good. We got some imbalance right here. So we want the retest and then the reaction. So we wanna enter the trade, and our risk to reward easily can be 1 to 2 probably, something like that. It depends on the stop loss, but it can look like this. So I'm gonna make a screenshot and we're gonna put that in trading journal. Today is the 16th of February, 1602. Okay. And this is gold. Trading journal, add new trade. Gold, we want to go down. Strategy ASAP. Lot size, not sure yet. Profit, we're gonna try to get probably $5,000. Open price, we don't know yet, so random for now. Today is 16/02/2026. Open time, we don't know that yet. Stop loss probably around 100 pips. Take profit 200 pips. Risk 0.25. Okay. We got our screenshot. We can add description as well. Have a target around 300 pips lower. The price is breaking the trend line. Let's have a look, guys. Yes, good. They're coming back. Very good. Now we need reaction of sellers. Very good. Breaking through the trend line. And I'm retest of the trade with risk to reward 1 to 2. This is trading plan. Okay, let's save it. This is first trading plan of today. Very good. So let's have a look once again. Okay. 1 second, guys. Okay, now we need some reaction of sellers, guys. The price is right here. Okay, good. The price stopped at support resistance zone and the trend line, so we need reaction of sellers right now. I want to check also the footprint so we can go deeper into the candle. We just need the reaction, guys. Come on. Let them come back to this imbalance and then reaction. Okay, good. they can't go too high, because if we're gonna go too high, yeah, we are back on this side of this support resistance zone. So we need reaction now. If they're gonna go higher, we're gonna have to change probably our trend line, maybe like this, and we're gonna wait for another breakout later on, because this is still valid, guys. They close this imbalance right here, which is good. So yeah, now we need reaction. Market structure from 1 minute time frame is bearish, which is good. From 5 minutes, it's not. It's still bullish, but it's okay. Come on, now we need strong reaction. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the side so I can watch the candles, and we're gonna look at some other assets. Oh, look, it's the crude oil today. They are moving sideways. You know why? Because also today Canada has got bank holiday, and you know, that can have impact on oil, and because of that, crude oil can, you know, stuck in this kind of range. Okay, so we can expect probably range later on as well. So I'm not gonna touch crude oil today. It doesn't really matter for me. It's too risky. Okay. Anyway, in days like this, we're not supposed to trade. We should leave the market. But you know, we had this session. The session was planned for today, so you know, we can try to probably use gold. Gold is reacting, guys. Good. From 5 minutes time frame, we need to wait for the candle to close under exponential moving average, and then we're gonna enter the trade. So let's wait a little bit more. Few more minutes. Yeah, later on, I'm not gonna look for any trades, guys. In the morning, yes, because now London, Europe is open, so we can have some activity on the market, but it can be tough today because of those holidays. So sometimes it's just better to stay away. We're gonna focus probably on this gold. I'm not sure if we got anything else. Let's have a look. This gold. Yeah. GBP USD, they done target perfectly. Reaction was very nice, but we missed that trade, unfortunately. That's okay. USD CAD, I'm not gonna look for any trade or plans. Canada is today closed, so let's leave it. Crude oil, we got target down the bottom. We could use it for reaction, but to be honest, I don't like crude oil or gold for reactions. Okay. Setups for reactions from our all-in ASAP strategy, they are working very well, but mostly on currency pairs, like major currency pairs. Gold and crude oil, they are not best instruments for this kind of trading. So I'm not gonna set any order right here. I know we got target and cluster, but this is crude oil, so no, not really, guys. Gold, nothing going on. We still don't have a reaction over here, so we are waiting for that reaction. That's for sure. Guys, if you want to use today basic buy, basic sell setup, you can try, but you know, it can be a little bit risky. And how many pips here? Yeah, look at the range from Asian session. GBP USD, it's only 14 pips, guys. Euro USD, it's only 15 pips. USD CAD, we got into liquidity zone, but I'm not gonna use it. We're not supposed to trade today anyway, so I'm gonna just wait for gold. I can place the trade on gold with low risk, but I think that will be that's it for me today. Later on this week, we're gonna check also AI Quintel, because we got some commitment of traders reports, guys, on the currency pairs, gold. So we're gonna try to use that maybe for swing trading. We're gonna use our strategy money flow. Looking very good. We can go deeper, guys. You can see we got some reports, not only from not only current informations, but we can have a look at the reports from the past. Okay, so we can analyze that as well. And nice informations. We got category commercial, so how commercials are positioning. We got non-commercial, so this is the group we're gonna watch, because we're gonna we want to follow them, this group, non-commercials. And yeah, but we're gonna use it not today, we're gonna use it later on this week, guys. Commercial net. What about gold? Let's have a look at gold. Non-commercial. Okay, what's happening with gold? It doesn't look like they want to go down at this moment, but no worries, guys. We can try later, because we can also move this trend line. We can do it like this for now. If the price will go higher, I know we got some gap over here, and the gap is in liquidity zone area from Asian session. So if we're gonna enter that area later on, I'm gonna look for the breakouts, and I will try to get to the target, which is somewhere around here. Okay, so we can try to use it later. Asian session liquidity gap. We're gonna have even more space, so my risk reward will be much better. Let me just copy that target from gold. 975. Nine eight. Okay, copy. Target. Okay. So we got targets. We know there is a gap right here. and this is also liquid zone, so I'm gonna mark this as a liquid pool. So if we're gonna get there, guys, we might have a chance get to the target, and the risk reward will be much better, probably 1 to 3 maybe. We can try to get something like that. If the first plan won't work, because we can still break through. So maybe we're gonna open the trade, but if not, we're gonna do it later on, but don't do it too late, okay? After 2 p.m. it doesn't make sense, because you know, market will slow down probably. Okay, so this is gold ASAP plan number 2. Add new trade. We're gonna add this one as well. Gold, we want to go down. Strategy, lot size, not sure yet. Gonna change that later. Okay, today is 16/26. Okay. Guys, because there's not much to do today on the markets, it's better to stay away, to be honest. So you can use this day for back tests. You can do some back tests, guys. You can use this time if you got time, you want to use it properly. Leave the market because it might be tricky today, and focus on the strategy tester and do some back tests. Will give you much more than sit and look for the trades today, because the market can be very slow. They might be moving in the range like up and down, up and down. So you're gonna try to enter the position, they're gonna go up, down, up, down. It can be all day long like this. Okay, so we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. Yes, order for reaction, 10 pips stop loss, 10 pips profit, but only on currency pairs, okay? I do not do it on crude oil or gold, only currency pairs. 10 and 10, okay? 10 and 10. Okay, one more look at the currency pairs, and probably we're gonna finish, because you know we're not supposed to trade today anyway. Euro, I'm not gonna touch it. You can see it's moving in the range, in small range. It's around 12 to 13 pips. GBP the same. The price is moving up and down. We are moving in the range, so for me definitely not. Canadian dollar similar. USD CHF. Look at this, same. USD JPY it's moving pretty good, but I would suggest to leave it for now. Crude oil, same. It's looking not the best at the moment. Only gold. We still have a chance for gold. If we're gonna have proper reaction. If the price will go down and we're gonna close under this support zone, under exponential moving average, because we got here exponential moving average also. So if the price will close under, I can I can try to get the target. I can try to open the trade. If not from here, we can wait for the price to get to the gap, close it, and then we're gonna try again. But this target is still valid. We got some space. We just need to look what's gonna happen. But like I said, take it easy, guys. Take it easy today. All right, guys. I don't want to keep you longer for this session. Like I said, we're not supposed to trade today. Next session is cancelled. Okay, so the session at 2 p.m. is cancelled because US and Canada got bank holiday. So we're gonna see each other tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. We're gonna look for some nice opportunities. You can still look for gold, but all the other currency pairs, I would say no. I would say better leave it. Do some back tests. Use that time properly, guys. All right, shorter session, but that's it for today, guys. We got 2 trading plans just on gold. I'm not gonna touch any other currency pairs or assets. Crude oil is also not the best for today. So, guys, that's it for now. Thank you for this session, and I will see you tomorrow morning, guys, at 9 a.m. So good luck. I wish you a lot of profit, and see you tomorrow.